अथ खलु आत्मसंहितम् अतिमृत्यु सप्तविधं समुपासीत हिंगारिति त्र्यक्षरं प्रस्तावयति त्र्यक्षरं तत्समम्. अथ खलु, hereafter we are going to start a new meditation. In general, that has been told, was told about the Saptavida Sama, Aditya as Saptavida Sama. Now we are identifying every division itself. Atma Samhitam, identified with this self. Atimrityu, possessing the quality of transcending the death. Such a Saptavida Samupasita, the sevenfold Sama, is to be meditated. How is that? What is the meaning of identification itself? Of the Sama, then its Sama is identifying with itself. Means what? Means this, you take the names of the different divisions and you write in an order. First three letters of the first name is equal to the second name's three letters. Three are equal. Hinkariti Triaksharam, Prastavayati Triaksharam. Hinkara. The first name of the first division, the name of the first division of the sevenfold Sama is Hinkara. In Hinkara, there are three letters. And the name of the second division is Prastava. In that also there is three letters. Pra, Sta and Va. Tatsamam. It becomes exactly equal to the first one. That means the Prastava, that means this Prastava is equal in number as far as the constituent letters of the name is considered. In that purview only it is being told. In that point of view, that the constituting letters of the name in Prastava is totally number 3 and is equal to the constituent letters of the name Hinkara. There also it is only 3 letters. Bhashyakara will give a long detailed discussion, introduction, why this has been started and all that. Atha khalu anantram. Atha khalu means anantaram, after that. Aditya mrityo vishesam upasanasya anantaram. You have to take like this. Aditya, who is possessing of the quality of death, mrityu, that Vishekupasana, meditation on Sama as the sun, which is identified with death, has been already considered. After that, Aditya Mrityu Visheshamopasanasya Anantaram. Kimarabhyate? Now what are you going to start? Starts the Atma Samhitam. Swavayava Tulyataya Mitam Paramatma Tulyataya Va Samhitam Atimritya. Considered from the point of view of, now we are going to start the meditation on Sama itself. Until now what we were saying, on Sama, we were meditating the different objects. These worlds, the Vedas and Pranas and this and that. We were meditating on Sama. Now we will meditate Sama on Sama itself. How is it that possible that you are meditating Sama on Sama? He says by the names, letters. Swa avayavatulyataya. How we are going to make the similarity of its parts. The similarity in its parts. What is the similarity in its parts? The similarity is in the number of the constituents of the letters in the names. How many letters are there in one name? If you see that, then you can find the similarity in the names. That's what is called as Swa Avayava Tulyataya Mitam. Even though Mitam means actually measuring. You can't measure here the words, the names. Therefore, what to take the measure means counting the letters, enumerating the numbers of the letters that constitute the names. Swa is Sama. Its Avayava means the names, Hinkara and all these names. Swa is Sama. It's told Anagiri. Swa Shabdena Samuchite. Tasya Avayavaha Hinkaradayaha. Tan Namaksharanam Trutvan Tulyataya Mitam Gyatam iti. Therefore, Mitam is taken Gyatam. Ityartha. So, Avayava is the Hinkaradeha, the different the names of the sevenfold, the seven divisions. And in that there is tulyata. What is tulyata? Trityaratritvena. Due to the equality of the the number 3 letters in their names. Or the other way he says, you Atma means you take Paramatma only. Don't take Sama. Atma, because in the mantra it is Atma Sammitam. For the Atma Sammitam, first Vakya was given by Bhashya. Atma Sammitam means Swa Avayava Tulyataya Mitam. This is the first explanation. The second is Paramatma Tulyataya Va. You take by the word Atma, its literal meaning itself directly, the expressive form. What is the expressive form of Atma means? Paramatma, Brahman. Take that itself, it doesn't matter. Paramatma Tulyataya. Sammitam. Sammitam means one word. Before it took it as Mitam gets Jatam. Now it's taking it with some upsarga. Mitam means actually Tulyam. Take directly only that meaning only. Tulyataya. Equal to the Supreme Self. It is equal to the Supreme. Sama is equal to the Supreme Self itself. Sammitam. Tulyataya va Sammitam. Jatam. It is known so. Therefore, Atimrityu. That is why this is Atimrityu. This possesses of the quality of transcending the death. The Sama in itself has got the quality of transcending the death. Or you see this Sama as Atma. Then the Sama will become what? It will also transcend death because the Atma is always transcending the death. Similarly, if we meditate this Atma on Sama, the Atma will also get possess of that quality of transcending the death. Therefore, Atimrityu is Mrityu Atyehititva, because it is the cause of transcendence of the death. Hetutva. It is the cause. Because through meditation of the Sama as Brahman, or we concentrate by meditating on the different names of the 7 divisions of the Sama as constituting of equal number of letters. Meditating in this way on that Sama. What are we going to attain? We are going to transcend the death. Therefore, this meditation on Sama itself or on Sama as Brahman leads us to transcendence of death. Therefore, it says, Mrityu Atye Hetutvat. This is the cause of transcendence of death itself. So, is it possible to do on the letters and these names and all? Yes, you have done before also. Yatha Prathami Adhyaye Udgita Bhakti Lava Aksharan Udgita iti Upasatanu Uktani. In the first chapter, 1, 3, 6 and 7. In 1, 3, 6 and 7. You have already discussed very well about the meditation that was done on the Udgita Bhakti Namaksharani, on the division called Udgita, and you did not do on the complete Udgita, but you take the letters constituting the name Ut, Gi and Tha separately, and on those things you meditated. On those letters you have meditated. Udgita Bhakti Namaksharani Udgita iti upasatvena uktani. Iti upasatvena uktani. They were spoken of as being fit for meditation. Therefore, tatha yah. Similarly, here also Samnaha Saptavidha Bhakti Namaksharani. Here also the sevenfold Sama. And you take the divisions, the name of the divisions, and those names are constituting of letters. And the number of those letters will be equal. Samahritya Trivi Samataya Samatvam Parikalpya Upasatvena Uchyante. Therefore, tatha iha. Similarly here, what we are going to do, because the Samna Saptavidha Bhakti Namaksharani Samahritya. After placing together, Samahritya, you place, just yesterday I had shown you, Hi, Ka, Him, Ka, Ra, Pra, Sta, Va. You go on writing like this. Use Samaharanam. After placing them in order, all the names, what you will see? 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, Samataya. When we see by the number, when you enumerate the number of the letters in the name, you will find that they are equal by 3, 3, 3 only. The letters constituting the name of the sevenfold Sama, the names of the sevenfold Sama, divisions of the sevenfold Sama, when placed together one after another in order, you'll find the Trivi Samataya Samattam, due to their similarity with Sama. This is the similarity. The Sankhya, the number 3 is the similarity. Because of there being equally 3 number in each group of 2 names. It's a dual, you had 2 names you take, and you would see that 3 and 3 will be equal both the names. And after doing so, what you did? On that 3 division, even every division you accept it as one Sama. Every division is accepted as one Sama. You are superimposing, listen, Samataya Samattam Parikalpya. You are doing a kalpana on that is itself a Sama. And the name, you have to take 3 letters, Him, Ka, Ra. Pra, Sta, Va. They are equal. Therefore, it is itself one Sama. You have to meditate on these 2 names constituting of 3 letters as Sama. You are superimposing Samattam in the 2 names of the 2 divisions of Sama. Parikalpya upasatvena uchyante. After superimposing the Samatva on them, now they are being presented as fit for meditation. Upasatvena. So what is the use of meditating such a thing? Tadupasanena mrityu gochara akshar sankhya samanyena tam mrityum prapya. After by meditating this special Sama or meditating on Sama as Paramatma, Brahman, Tadupasena Mrityu Gochara Akshara Sankhya Samanyena. Later will be telling that the sun is the 21st from here. From this world, sun is the 21st. Therefore, by up to 21st letters is death. Because sun is in the 21st point and you are here in this world. And above this, the 22nd is Adimrityu. This is Mrityu. Then from here to the complete is Mrityu. We are under Mrityu all the time. But above this is Atimrityu. Because our life goes, how? Through the 12 months. Is it not? The 5 seasons, months. 12 months, 5 seasons, 17 plus 3, 20. What is that 3? It will be counted later on. Those 3 are the 3 lokas. In between from here to here. This is Bhu, this is Bhuvaha, and this is Sun is Swaha. Below Sun. These 3, the 3 worlds, and the 121st is Sun. This is 20. 12 plus 5, 17 plus 3, 20. And the 21st is Sun. So every creature goes through these 20, and at last he comes up to the 25, the maximum, and he attains only death in all this world.
Aditya itself is Mrityu, Kala. Here in between also death comes.
Yes, therefore we are always, when you are in Bhuva also, you are counted in Kala only. In Swarga also you are counted in Kala only. So many years you will be living there. After that you have to come back. So you are under the count or under the grip of Kala. You are within the range of death. Up to Swarga. And even you get the Aditya Loka. Even there also you are under Kala only. You are in the range of death itself. And now we want to, this Upasana also, if you only know, there are 22 letters. Yesterday we have sung 22 letters. And 1 letter is equal to 3 we have done. Make it 3 to 6 groups, 24 it was. Is it not? So that 22nd, the 1 letter was extra, which we stated as equal to 3. That is that 1 letter which leads you to Atimritya, which transcends you to, transcends from death. That is what Bhashakara is telling here now. You see. Which was the extra one? Va. Then how you are telling me? Which one we counted as equal to 3? How can ni come in the last? The last is then nidhanam nam. The one that was extra, that is the 22nd. Va was the extra one. That leads to the transcendence of death.
So Va was given as 19, 20 and 21.
Nidhanam
is given 22, 23, 24.
It does not matter whatever I am writing the number. Which is the extra one? Which was equal to 3?
Right.
Then what I am telling you, reason that first. Don't read the numbers that I have given. I will show to show 3 equal numbering that I did. The one that was extra, which was counted equal to 3. That, which is that? Va. Finish. Keep that in mind, that's all. That Va has to be meditated properly if you want to attain moksha. If you want to transcend death. That's what Bhashakara is telling here now. You see, it is very clear. That atiriktaksharena. What is the word here by Bhashakara? Very clear, you see. Atiriktaksharena. Which is the atiriktakshara which is equal to 3? Tad upasena, by meditation on this sama, mrityu gochara akshar sankhya samanyena. You see? Mrityu gochara akshara sankhya samanyena. Due to similarity of the 21st, 21 enumeration of 21 numbers, which is always within the range of death. Mrityu gochara, in the range of death, is what? Akshara sankhya. Which akshara sankhya? 21. With the beautiful similarity of that. Tam mrityum prapya. What we do? We will attain mrityu, no doubt. Then what we have to do? How to transcend it? Tad atiriktaksharena tasya adisya mrityura atikramana sankramanam kalpayati. Therefore, with that extra letter, which will be stated by the mantra itself equal to, I am not telling it is not my kalpana, it is the Shruti telling that Va is equal to 3. The mantra is telling that. It is not Bhashakara kalpana or what I am explaining in my own way. No. The Shruti has said that Va is equal to 3. You will read that mantra later now. So he said that atiriktaksharena tasya adityasya. What you are going to do? That sun which is always within the range, which is identified with death, mrityu. That sun which is identified with death, which we have attained by the 21 letters. The maximum thing that we can attain by the 21 letters is only sun. So is that mrityu gochara akshara sankhya mrityoho atikramanaaya. Solely for transcending from this death. Sankramanam kalpayati. The Vedas are imagining the method of transition. How we are going to transcend. And giving you that secret knowledge in the sevenfold sama. The one letter which is extra. That plays the most important role here. That is being, the imagination is not of ours. That's why it says, Sankramanam kalpayati kaha Shrutihi. The Shruti is doing this kalpana. Bhasha is not kalpayami. I am not doing the kalpana. Kalpayati Shrutihi. Atimrityo saptavidam samupasita. Therefore, what we want to say here is, possessing the quality of the transcendence of death, we have to meditate on Sama, the Sama itself. On every dual of 3 and 3, we have to think that this 3 and 3, Hinkara and Prastha, one dual, having the consonant letters, equal number of consonant letters. This 3 and 3, these two names is equal to Sama, possessing the quality of transcendence of death. And every group, you have to do that. So this is how we will do. There will be 4 groups. 6 for the 24 letters. So he is saying that atimrityu sabdam samupasita. Mrityum adikrantam. Atiriktakshar sankhya. You see again he is telling mrityum adikrantam. It goes beyond the death. Which one? Atiriktakshar sankhya. Through that extra letter. That is why this Sama is also called as Atimrityu Sama. Even though the whole Sama is not leading you to the transcendence of death. That extra letter is leading you. But because that extra letter is in the sevenfold Sama, this sevenfold Sama is also called as Atimrityu. अतिरिक्ताक्षर संख्यया इति अतिमृत्यु सामा. Therefore, this sama is spoken of as the thing which can transcend death. Is one of the sadhana, one of the instruments, one of the method that you can transcend death. Tasya prato bhakti namakshara. Now it goes. This is explanation of the secret of the whole thing. And now it gets back into the mantra. Tasya prato bhakti namaksharani. The first division's name. The constituent letters of the first division name are him, ka and ra. Ityetat. These are equal to Traksharam, 3 letters. Bhakti Nama. This is the name of the division. This is the first name of the name of the first division, which is consisting of 3 letters. Now you see the second division. What is that? Prastava. Iti cha bhaktehe Traksharameva Nama. In this division also, we are saying there are only 3 constituent letters. The name of the second division, Nama Bhaktehe. Bhaktehe Nama. The second division name also consists of Traksharameva, 3 letters only. Tat Purveda Samam. Tat Samam means Tat Purveda Samam. That means it is equal to the former one. As the Prastava, this name, which consists of 3 letters, which is equal to the Hinkara, which is also constituting of 3 letters, which is also a name of one of the first division. Now the rest it goes. Adiriti Dvaksharam, Pratihariti Chaturaksharam, Tatahyaikan Tatsamam. Adiriti Dvaksharam. In Adi there are 2 letters. The third division name is Adi. In that there are 2 A and D. Now how you said all are 3 equal? I said, see the next name. The next division name is what? Pratihara. After that you remove pra and add into Adi there. It will become 3. And Tihara will be here 3. 3 and 3 will become equal. Iti Chaturaksham. Pratihara iti Chaturaksham. Tata iha ekam. So what you have to do? Tata. From that 4 letters, from those 4 letters, iha to the former letter, you add ekam, one letter. That's from Pratihara, the name, which is the letter name. From that one, you take 1 letter and add to the former. Then what will happen? Tatsamam. Then you will see that they are equal. The Tihara is equal to Pradi. That's the way we have to meditate. Then there's no other go, because it's the Vidhi. Because the Shastra is telling like that, we have to meditate in that way.
So in this group actually, Gita has been fully taken, that's why they are not mentioned in the mantra.
Yeah.
So Adi is 2 and Pra has been inserted, that's why it has been...
No, Udgita is still in the next one. Udgita is still in the next group. With Upadrava. To find out there is one extra letter. Udgita is not left, because you can't leave, you have to take all the 7 divisions anyway.
No, there is no change, I thought that not mentioned.
Now the order has been changed only. After Adi, Udgita has to come, but after Adi took Pratihara to equalize the thing. And then only we will get one extra letter Va. Now Udgita iti Traksharam, Upadrava iti Chaturaksharam, Trivi Samam Bhavati. Now he says, Aksharam Ati Shishyate, Traksharam Tat Samam. This is told in the mantra itself, is told. 1 akshara is extra. And that is equal to Traksharam. The mantra is telling this. Udgita iti Traksharam. Udgita. In this there are 3 letters. And Upadrava, there are 4 letters. Trivi Samam. Take Udgita as 3. And Upadrava, Upadra. You take these 3. Will be equal 3 and 3. And then what is going to happen is what? There is Aksharam Ati Shishyate. 1 letter is extra. And that letter is equal to Traksharam 3. That is how Tatsamam, the letter becomes equal to the former. This is how you have to make it. Why it is equal to 3? Because what is that Va? Va is 1 letter. Va is 1 letter. If anybody asks what is this Va? Va kya hai? You say it is Aksharam. Aksharam. 1, 2, 3. This is a fact. This is a secret in it. Do you understand, Ganesh? What is Va? If somebody asks, you will say it is Akshara. Therefore it is 3. The va, which seems to be one letter, actually constitutes of 3 letters. And where it is going to lead you? Aksharam. That's the name itself of it is Aksharam. It will lead you, it will transcend death. Keeping this in mind, the Shruti is telling, Aksharam adhishishade triaksharam tatsamam. Now get the bhasha of these 2 mantras together. Then we'll go to the later one. Adriti dvaksharam saptavisamanaha. Of the 7-fold Sama, Adi is the 3rd division's name that constitutes of only 2 letters. So now how you are going to equalize it? He says, Sankhya Purane Omkara Adrityate. Actually, Adi is not a division of Sama at all. In the original Samas that we sing, Adi is not divided within the Sama, you are not going to divide as Adi. As I told before also in Panchavita Sama, what we do is, the Sama has got so many letters. You say from here to here is Hinkara, from here to here is Prastava or so and so forth. But when we come to Saptavita Sama, whichever Sama you are singing consists of many letters, many words, you will divide this into 6 only. Into 6 divisions only. The whole Sama is divided into 6 divisions. Then how it is called a 7-fold Sama? Then he says, after the 2 divisions, add one Om. And call that as Adi. This is how it will be completing the 7th Sankhya. This Om will fulfill the 7th Sankhya. Because it is a 7-fold Sama, Sapta Bhakti Sama, 7 division Sama. It is Sama consists of 7 parts. But when they sing, they divide the whole Sama into only 6 parts. And what do? Is they add Omkara. For Sankhya Purane, for enumerating the 7-fold, to count the 7, to complete the counting of 7, they add Omkara, and that Omkara is actually called as Adi division. The one that's added just to complete the number 7. That Om is called as Adi. Even though in Udgita also they are adding Om many times. In many other places also they will be adding Om. But those Oms are being added according to Vidhi. That you have to sing Sama, adding these things according to Parampara, it has been taught and they will sing like that. But this Om, which is added after Prastava, is called as Adi. And this Om is added only to not sing, but to fulfill the deficiency of the 7 parts in the Sama. That's why Bhashakara is telling, Saptavidasya Samna Sankhya Purane Omkara Adrityuchate. Is that clear now? And now go further. Pratihara iti Chaturaksharam. Tatha, from the latter, that's Pratihara, Iha, to the first one, to the former, Ekam Aksharam Avachidya. From the latter, that's Pratihara, you separate one letter. Avachidya means cut it down from there, remove it from there. And what you do? Iha, add to the former, Prakshipyate. You have to, Prakship means you throw into it. Actually the meaning will become Prakshipyate means throwing. But here what you are going to throw into Adi? They were actually its meaning add to Adi. Then that will also become 3 number. Because just 2, A and D. To fulfill the number 3 letters of it, to fulfill the constitutional number that you are equalizing as Sama for meditation. For that purpose you have to cut down or separate one letter of the latter Pratihara and add to the former Adi. Tena, by what's going to happen? Tat samam bhavati. That becomes equal to the latter. The latter becomes equal to the former. Udgita iti traksharam. Udgita iti traksharam. It's very clear. No explanation by Bhashya. Upadrava iti chaturaksharam. In Upadrava, U, Pa, Dra and Va, there are 4 letters constituting this name. Trivi samam. Trivi samam. That one letter becomes Trivi samam. So far as they are possessing 3 letters, each, there is equality. There is no doubt. Therefore, one letter will become what? Extra. Aksharam atishishyate means atirichyate. One letter is becoming extra, left over separately. Tena vaishamya prapte. Oh, then there is an inequality. There is no equality. Because of that, there is inequality prapte. Since that is the extra, due to that extra letter, there is inequality. So how to rectify? Samna samatva karanaya aha. For the sake of making it equal, for the sake of making the sama equal, what has to be done? Tad ekam api sat, even though that is one, but still aksharam iti. Because what it is? Aksharam, aksharam. Iti. That's why it's told iti. Iti should not be told here. This is where the people miss, many tikas have seen, they give totally wrong meaning of this whole thing. Why is aksharam? But why is aksharam? How it can be three? Bhashikar is very careful writing here. Sat aksharam iti. It is that va is aksharam, akshara. Therefore, it possesses the quality of akshara also. It will never get kshara. There is no death in it. Triaksharam mevavate. Therefore, even this va is possessing of three letters. This va is also possessing of three letters because it is nothing but akshara. Ataha, therefore, tatsamam. Now you see, it has become, this letter one is equal to the formal one. Nidharam iti triaksharam tatsamam eva bhavati. Tani hava etani dvavinshatiraksharaani. Nidhanam iti triaksharam. In Nidhanam, the seventh division, the last division, you find there the three, in that name also, there are three letters. Tatsamam eva bhavati. So now, that va, which is the extra letter, which is the one extra letter is there, and that letter is actually akshara. Therefore, it is three letters also constituting the name of that va. What is the name? What is va? If you ask, you tell what is it? It is called as akshara. The name of all letters in Sanskrit is akshara. Therefore, the name of va is also akshara. Therefore, the name of that va, the extra letter, constitutes three letters. And that is equal to this now. Therefore, this nidhanam, which the name which is constituting of three letters, is equal to that letter va, which also constitutes in its name three letters. This is after imagining in that va as 1, 2 equal to 3 for the purpose of meditation, to bring the equality that you are seeing for sama among the constituent of the letters of the names of the division of the sevenfold sama. For that purpose, we had done it into 24. We increased 1 equal to 3. Total we counted as 24. But actually, as the names stand as themselves in them, you count down the letters. How much it will be? 22. Tani hava etani. These letters which are so, that are so, dvavinshatiraksharaani, are 22 only in number actually. Why is telling this? To give you the result. Why the mantra has told this? To show that from 1 to 21 is death, and that 22nd, you take the extra letter as the 22nd, that is the thing mrityu. To lead you towards that, now he says, even though we have counted and equalized, by equalizing, what you did? Counting? You counted 24. But actually it is, as the names are standing in itself, they are only 22. एकविंशत्या आदित्यम आपनोति एकविंशो वा इतो असौ आदित्यो द्वाविंशेन परम आदित्या जयति तन्नाकम तद्विशोकम. Oh, भाषा left out of that mantra. तन्ने निद्रमिति त्र्यक्षरम तत्समम में भवति. Therefore, that is equal to the former verb. एवं त्र्यक्षर समतया सामत्वम संपाद्य. In this way, through the equality of three letters, after having established identity, samatvam sampadya, after establishing the identity of the samatvam, in what? In these letters, in the names constituting of three equal letters, yatha praptani eva akshara sankhayante. Now the Shruti does not want to delude you from here. It was said it's the 24 letters. Then it will be going on how it is possible. Therefore he says, Atha praptam eva. Now the letters as they are in the name is being aksharani sankhayante, is being enumerated, is being counted. And stated what? Tani hava etani. These vary, which are so, which are counted to be as 24, are actually how much? Are Sat Bhakti Namaksharani, the letters constituting in the sevenfold Samas, 7 names, are equal to Dvavishatihi, 22 only. Tatra Ekavinshatya Adityam Apnoti. Through the 21 letters, what we are going to attain is Adityam. The meditator, if he meditates only this whole 7 names equal to as only 21 and forgets the 22nd and does not know the meaning of that verb properly, and if he takes that Nidhanam, Nam as a 22nd wala, last one, even he is wrong. If he counts down 21 from there up to Dha, it will become 21. Nidha. After Dha will be 21. And if you take Nam as 22nd, you are wrong again. This the Shruti is telling very clearly that Va is the 22nd, the extra letter. And the others are in 3 sets. We have made 3 set already. The extra is one what? Va only, not the other. Because Nidram is a set in itself 3. Neither if there is 2 or 5 or something, then we can find something extra in that one. And you can take the last one as the extra letter. But you can't take that last one as the extra letter. Because it is in itself counted as 3 letters. The Nidhanam, the name, is formed or constituted of 3 letters, 1 complete set. So we can't break it and say this is the 22nd one. And Nam cannot be taken as 22nd. Then we have to take Va only, which is the extra letter, which the Shruti itself has told that Va is the extra one. And that is equal to 3. Because its name is Akshara. So that has to meditate as the 22nd one properly. If a person does not do this, does it in some other way, take something as 22nd one also, even that fellow will be trapped in death. When he will also attain, he is also within this 21 only. Because he has mistaken the 22nd. Even that fellow is also under the range of death. Therefore, in Bhashya, this will very clearly be told now, Ekavinshatya Adityam Apnoti. Through these 21 letters, you will be always attaining only the sun which is identified with death. Why? Because Ekavinsho va ito asau Aditya. Because from here, when you count, when you enumerate from this world, ito means from this world when you start. Where is Aditya? This yonder sun is the 21st. Ekavinsha is the 21st. So Dvavinshena, through the 22nd one, Param Aditya Jayati. That which is above or higher than Surya, the sun, at which is with death, that you are going to attain. What is that which we are going to attain by the 22nd one? Pannakam, that is supreme bliss. Tadvishokam, that is free from sorrows. That is free from all type of sorrows and unhappiness.